In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Oppo Find X9 Ultra, one of Oppo's most advanced smartphones yet. Announced in April 2026 and expected to launch in May, this device brings a combination of powerful performance, an impressive camera system, and a massive battery. So if you're curious about what this phone has to offer, let's break it down. Starting with the design, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra feels premium from every angle. It uses a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, paired with an aluminum frame. On the back, you get either a glass finish or an eco-leather option, depending on the variant. The phone weighs around 235 grams and has a thickness between 8.7 to 9.1 millimeters, so it's definitely a solid and substantial device in hand. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, meaning it's not only resistant to dust and water, but can also handle high-pressure water jets and even submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Moving on to the display, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra features a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED panel. It supports 1 billion colors, a 144 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. The resolution is 1440 by 3168, resulting in a very sharp viewing experience. Brightness is also impressive, reaching up to 1800 nits in high brightness mode and peaking at 3600 nits. This makes it very comfortable to use even under direct sunlight. In terms of performance, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3-nanometer process. It features an octa-core U4 CPU with high-performance Orion cores and is paired with the Adreno 840 GPU. You also get options of 12 GB or 16 GB RAM, with storage ranging from 256 GB up to 1 TB using UFS 4.1. So overall, this is a device that's more than capable of handling gaming, multitasking, and heavy workloads. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with ColorOS 16, and Oppo promises up to 5 major Android updates. Now, let's talk about one of the most interesting parts, the camera system. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup, all with high-resolution sensors. You get a 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, another 50-megapixel periscope with 10x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This setup is supported by features like laser autofocus, a color spectrum sensor, Hasselblad color calibration, and HDR. For video, it supports up to 8K recording at 30 FPS, as well as 4K at up to 120 FPS, with Dolby Vision HDR video and 10-bit video support. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera capable of recording 4K video as well. One of the standout features here is the battery. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra packs a massive 7050 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than most smartphones on the market. For charging, it supports 100-watt wired fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and even 10-watt reverse wireless charging. This means you can charge the device very quickly and also use it to charge other devices when needed. In terms of connectivity, this phone is fully equipped. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and multiband GPS systems. Additional features include an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, NFC, and even an infrared port. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, which is quite common for flagship devices today. Overall, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra offers a complete flagship experience, from its premium design and high-end display to its powerful performance, advanced camera system, and massive battery. It's clearly designed for users who want top-tier features in almost every aspect of a smartphone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.